Okay, hey, so you guys asked for on review number 4, you wanted to look at a question 2. So let me make sure. Oh, it's because okay, there we go. So review number 4, question 2. So when you've got a problem like this and you've got kind of like the same k in both parts here, because we're asked to make k the subject of the formula, and we've got k squared here and k squared here, we can actually factor out k squared. And before I move forward with that, I actually want to show you an example from Friday's video that's really similar. So let me pull that up. Yeah. So this question right here, rearrange the formula to make x the subject. You'll remember that we multiplied both sides by x minus 4. Then we distributed. Sorry, if you guys can hear my parents talking in the other room, just ignore it. Okay, anyways, so now that I've done that, I want to isolate I'm not describing this too much because I already did this in a video. I just want to show you guys how this is similar. This problem is similar to what we've already done. So here, it's kind of the same thing. You see how here I've got a 4k squared minus pi k squared. So I've got a k squared here and a k squared here. So same thing here. I've got an x here and I've got an x here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out an x out of both of these, put it on the outside to give me y equals 1. Right, and now I can divide both sides by y minus 1. Right, that would give me x equals this. But I don't actually really care about that right now. So right now I just care about these questions that I'm working on. Okay, so just like that I was just doing, I want to factor out k squared out of both of these. So here, that's going to give me 4a equals k squared times whatever's left. So the k squared cancels out, leaving me just 4. K squared cancels out, leaving me minus pi. Okay, now that I've done that, I want to go ahead and keep isolating. So here, because we are trying to isolate that k, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using SADMED. So when I'm looking here, I can't really add or subtract one and not the other because these guys are married. They've got a ring on it. So no subtract or add. I'm going to divide or multiply. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4 minus pi. And then those are going to cancel out, leaving me just k squared on the right side. And then, so now that I've done that, I can move on to my exponents. And here I've got that exponent. This is like a really big blob, but whatever. Okay, so the inverse of squared is going to be the square root. So I'm going to square root both sides. This cancels out with that, leaving me just k on the right hand side. And on the left hand side, it is the square root of 4a over 4 minus pi. So that is going to be my answer. And there you go.